Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. We all want to save a little money on maintenance, but some quick fixes will end up costing you an entire engine. Today, I am breaking down 7 things that should never go near your vehicle. Let's get into it. Number 1. Stop leak. Whether it's for your coolant or engine oil, that mechanic in a bottle is a disaster. It doesn't just plug the leak, it clogs up your heater core and restricts fluid flow. You turn a minor seal replacement into a catastrophic system failure. Number 2. Tap water in your cooling system. Tap water contains minerals that instantly start corroding the inside of your radiator and engine block. Always use a 50-50 premix or concentrate mixed exclusively with distilled water. Number 3 is a massive safety hazard. Universal floor mats without the proper retention clips will slide forward. If that mat wedges under your brake pedal or pins the accelerator, you completely lose physical control of the vehicle. Number 4. Leaving cheap diagnostic dongles permanently plugged in. Not only do they create a parasitic draw that kills your battery, but poorly made chips can introduce interference onto your vehicle's CAN bus network, triggering false dash lights and communication errors. Number 5. Standard WD-40. It is a solvent, not a long-term lubricant. If you spray it on door hinges or window regulators, it strips away the factory lithium grease. It leaves the metal dry and attracts dust, which eventually causes severe binding. Number 6. Dish soap. It is engineered to aggressively cut baked-on kitchen grease. If you use it on your car, it strips away all your protective wax and sealants. Your clear coat is left completely exposed to the elements. Number 7. Standard residential extension cords. If you are plugging in an engine block heater or a level 1 EV charger, a thin household cord is a major fire hazard. They cannot handle continuous high amperage draw and will quickly melt. Protect your investment by using the right tools and the right fluids. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive truth, and drop a comment if you've ever caught someone using one of these.